Hello, royalties! Welcome to this lesson where we will be looking at two important vowel sounds, the E sound and the E sound. These sounds can completely change the meaning of a word. So, mastering them is very essential for clear communication. For example, saying leave instead of live can lead to misunderstanding. That is why it is very momentous you master both sounds. In this video, I will be showing you the difference between these two sounds as well as showing you their minimal pairs. Let's jump right in. Welcome to Level Up with Coach Irene. To begin, let's talk about this sound. This sound is articulated as E. It is a long vowel sound. E. It is an important sound in English because you can find it in so many spelled letters like E, as in Felix, we, or double E, as in freedom, refugee. You can also find it as spelled letters like EA, as in bead, increase, EI or IE, as in receipt, field. You can also find it in spelled letters like AY, key, or EO, people, amoeba. To produce this sound, put your tongue high and at the front of your mouth. Stretch out your lip as though you are smiling. E. E. Let us look at the other sound. Sound E. Did you observe? This sound is a short vowel sound. E. You can find this sound in so many words in English. However, many students of the English language, especially the British English, because that is what I do, tend to articulate this sound as E. No, it is articulated as E. When you say E, you are talking about this sound or the sound that is found at the ending of words with the Y later. For example, carry, bury, very. This sound is different from this sound and this sound. This is articulated as E and this as E, whilst this is articulated as E. Did you spot the difference? Let's jump right in. You can find this sound in spelled letters like I, as in sit, village, E, as in eject, pretty, or Y, as in myth, system, IE or EI, as in narrative, forfeit, ING, as in sting, visiting, and ED, as in wanted, cheated. Note that the spelled letters are letters that are articulated as this sound in these words. These same spelled letters can be found in other words as another sound. However, they are the same letters articulated as different sounds in different words. For example, this sound is articulated in this word as bead. That is the E sound. However, in this word, it is articulated as bread. That is the E sound. I hope these buttress the points that I've been trying to pass to you. Lastly, let us look at the minimal pairs between this sound E and this sound A. Note that these pairs differs with only one phoneme. A number of students hardly understand the difference. Let us look at them. Do well to say it after me. Bet, beat, ship, sheep, hill, heel, sit, seat, live, leave, fill, feel, sick, seek, fit, feet. Did you see that both articulations are different? Whilst this is long, the other is short. Did you spot the difference? If you found any of the articulation or pronunciation difficult, do well to replay the video. With this, we have come to the end of this lesson. I believe that you got value. Do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our exquisite channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.